Yeah, Coire, so a Shogar Torstead Ash go Jeddig and Och of Linjig, no Toshach and Nig of Linjig, end of the 18th century, start of the 19th century. Ewen MacDonald. This guy is associated with Dalcatig. We have one person who lives in Dalcatig. Does anyone else live down that way? No? Just live maybe. Well, he's associated with Dalcatig, but he he doesn't really want to be there in the poem anyway. He used to, in his youth, he used to spend time up in Coire. And if you look on the map, you can't find Coire exactly, but there is an alt Iararaidh, the burn of the western shieling, Iararaidh, alt Iararaidh. And he had an abode there. He had a hut there. He used to hang out there. But Iararaidh Og, the 10th Laird of Grant, I don't know why I get this confused, but yeah, there's so many lairds. But he denied him the shieling of Ray Ushak, possibly Ray Ushjin. That's on the map. So he denied him that. So since then, Ewen MacDonald has to go down to Dalcatig and live with the lowlanders. So it seemed like if you lived on the south side of the river, you were you were the lowlanders. But it's very similar in style to Donachig Ban, Duncan Ban McIntyre's Coire, and you can put it to that tune. But there's rather a funny thing. Alexander MacDonald boasts that actually it was Ewen MacDonald that inspired Donachig Ban to write Coire as opposed to the other way around. Was it William Mackay? Yeah. I think actually. I think Alexander MacDonald did it as well. It's like, well, actually, Donachig Ban got it from our man. Yeah. I don't think so. But in amongst all this very lush landscape that he describes, again, kind of this time of year, he also makes reference to the wily fox, who he has something of an admiration for, because the fox is in fact harassing the sheep that have started. Some of the land has been turned over for the grazing of sheep, so he kind of praises this, the fox as well. So show I Coire maha. Ma biel gmatch at him. Go on. Marion. Am I down there? Yep. Marion Coire, Symbi and Learcherk, Sangalioch Kiurgu as Kiatig Ping. Len Cherkak Riuvach Gestorst to Fiete, Shega Hieri et Fegnen down. And Coire nach Sampina Hulen, a fast go Curi, Fogruch give Traum. Gam Yalach Sug for China de Hulach. Skachlusen Udit Hafas and and Coire Vix na Hilche Duaye, a vis the Cloignes some mesk and groove. Sandare Guan Achle Alling Oanye, Shemar Hoyen Testog Achkal. Chagav fuirach karashim fuachge, Fachat a chusel and loves a gay. Be an illich uolach sin leg man gorsti, a cattle uig niach rigualian dain. Gabe chedal a tarach shianal, Harry and Musel and Milch and Fjord. On Clachasi, Schliga, Brain, Krieche, and Luched Wien on his cape and line. And Luched Wien is rush and cheetah is loye vilchi is main and old. Sulani Eden smunnig danging agid is keen chain and hifseroy. Matig roeg aan schemar roegel kuddy was het der voet en garam. Ik meet a hoed kis gajien am voet ach get weer doos gachal boye fjol. Gumpag a kindchach na hedje you, Margian and Peel, Ginnerist below. Shimmer Gleann, Haya Hintrach, Hadrainad keeper a year, Jehorst. Get Hamachan, Ifos Gown the Stranje, Shitlach Gamoy, Gavin Khani Howl. Se charivo yach le luz en zugvod Shelian meinach el miaun Mach die habran noch gantad a jolet Se lehid solis a hoed miaun On julti ein agar a yeshek vayach Geriter shalig en corn en gaul Getayin riach gan nís a dynje Chadrig an gulmi a hanam chawn A huk mi gyn heid a churle sydd yn cys jechel ag ag mi hyn jyn thrawn Nam bieg tan lahed gan fain larach Gan dog o brach as gan vals gan vawn Urius ars chilkur boyes graseth and lean a gagu eg han a gown.